What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. My analytics are showing me over 40,000 people that have not subscribed to the channel have been watching the channel over this last month. So if you're one of those 40,000 people that have yet to subscribe, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. But I'm sitting over here like Mr. Burns, excellent right now. We got some very, very exciting news for the Sheep Army. I told y'all this is about to happen. Now, remember, nothing you see is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. Remember, never risk more than you're willing to lose. And also be aware of the scammers in the comment section pretending to be me. I expect the majority of y'all to understand that those are scammers, but for the ones that don't know, please be aware they will finesse you out of your money. So we got some exciting news here, man. I've just been marinating in this since I first got the news. It's very exciting to see this because it lets me know that my assumption or my speculation may be correct. So let's take a look at this. Crypto exchange Gate.io buys 500,000 Shiba Inu's Bone token. Now, we know Volt Inu just won the Gate.io listing, but to see Bone come in last place, absolute last place, and the exchange still buy 500,000 Shiba Inu Bone token is something that we need to connect the dots on. So let's get into this real quick, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that. So data from Etherscan.io shows that centralized crypto exchange Gate.io might be on a Shiba Inu Bone token buying spree. In the last 24 hours, a wallet termed Gate.io purchased nearly 500 million Bone tokens worth $377,000. The wallet has picked up Bone in various transactions hours apart from each other. The most significant transaction recorded a few hours ago is 430,000 tokens. However, it is not confirmed if the official Gate.io crypto exchange initiates the purchases. Gate.io is currently holding votes to list the token, including Shiba Inu's Bone token, a couple other tokens, and Volt Inu. The vote depositing period will end today, and the winner will be announced. So this was already announced that Volt Inu won. Gate.io will likely list Bone if the token has received the maximum votes, which it did not. Volt Inu received the maximum votes, but this is a sure sign that they're obviously connecting the dots. Hold on, let me big screen this for a second. They're obviously connecting the dots because they know what's about to happen. Shibarium is expected to be released in less than a month and a half. So we got 1 month and 1 week until Shibarium needs to be released. Do not let, because they're not talking about it or you're not hearing anything about it, don't let that slip off your table and you forget about to position yourself for this. Remember, Shibarium will use Bone as the gas fee. So if Gate.io is purchasing 500,000 Bone tokens, almost $500,000 worth, they know something. These centralized exchanges aren't making purchases this big without knowing something is about to go down. Now, of course, I speculated that Shiba Inu's price is about to double. That's granted if we don't see any major negative catalyst in the market. If we don't get, some type of major news, because right now we got the Federal Reserve and the White House denying us from being in a technical recession, which we should be, which I expected prices to fall lower. But when they, put their foot in and said, no, it's not a recession, it doesn't feel like a recession, it seems like they're in an attempt to try to bail the economy out. So when we start seeing, bills get passed to pump money into the economy, that's when we know the bottom is in. So because of that, I felt technically the market should be lower, but because of, the Fed and, everyone stepping in, this may be the bottom, but there could be worse to come. But if there is not, then I could see the market being very bullish in a short, near future. So Bone token right now sitting around 80 cents. I put y'all up on Bone around before it hit like 40 cents. I told y'all to start paying attention to it. It is more than we seen it go up to what, like $1.20, $1.30. Right now it's pulled back to around, let's check real quick, 86 cents. It's up 6% on the day. So you got a chance to still get it while it's under $1 and $1.20. We know once Shibarium is released, speculating, it's not financial advice, but we're pretty sure that the price will be over that dollar period. I told y'all I could see Bone being around $5, after the release or up to the release of Shibarium. So don't miss out on that if that's something that you're looking into. Remember, do your own due diligence, but keep that in mind. So let's get back to this article real quick. So Shiba Army Canada says Shiba Army just over 2 hours ago, centralized exchange Gate.io bought nearly 500,000 Bone token. So Bone price performance. Shiba Inu's Bone token displayed extreme bullish sentiment last month after it doubled in price from 48 to 109 in 30 days. The token traded retail investors and whales, making it soar to newly monthly high. And how many of y'all jumped on Bone when I told y'all? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna give y'all a second. Let me know in the comment section. Did you take advantage of that free money that I told y'all was about to take place? Because I'm telling y'all again, it's not financial advice. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. Always understand that crypto is highly volatile, highly speculative, and everybody could be wrong, and something that no one sees could enter the market and bring everything down, or something no one sees can enter the market and push everything up. But that's just all a part of the game. That's why you never risk more than you're willing to lose, and you dollar cost average into positions. That simply means instead of dropping, if let's say you want to put 10,000 into cryptocurrency, as a whole, you wouldn't just drop the whole 10,000. You would break that up over a period of time, maybe a few hundred a week, buying different assets, waiting for discounts in the market and buying it as the price drops. So that way you're getting more tokens or more coins for a cheaper price, and when the price goes up, you'll make a lot of money. So keep that in mind. The token attracted retail investors and whales, making it soar to new monthly highs. Investors are taking an early position in Bone as Shibarium documentation is set to be released next month. I've been telling y'all about it before these articles start talking about it. Now the articles are talking about it. It's really time to gear up and position yourselves properly. Not financial advice, but you definitely may want to have some Bone. If you believe in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and you're down for the the long term, or even if you're a short term trader and you want to just buy while the price is lower and sell it when the price gets higher, y'all never hear me saying anything bad against people who want to sell and take a profit. Why? Because everybody's in this to make money. So life-changing money can be different from me to you to someone else. So I never trip off of that. But if those of you that want to make a quick buck, this looks like a good play right here. And those of you that believe in the Shiba Inu ecosystem long term, this is also a possible good play, because Bone will be the gas for our blockchain. So Bone will be used as the native gas token in Shibarium, making it an essential asset in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Besides Shibarium, Bone is the governance token for Shiba Inu's Doggy DAO. Therefore, Bone will have a long-standing use case in the Layer 2 solution and see its trading volume soar further. During a Q&A session on Telegram, the lead developer of ShibaSwap, Satoshi Kasuma, revealed why Bone is given more importance in the ecosystem. Bone was chosen because it isn't controlled by large bankers/exchanges and mostly is owned by us. When you are dealing with voting, you want a decentralized voting system and truly the people to be in control. That's not the case if an exchange X can vote to do Y, he said. So I don't really understand that right there, because Shiba Inu should be the same thing. Not saying I disagree with that, but Shiba Inu can be used as well. We own the majority of SHIB. Of course, some exchanges out there own some as well, but the same thing can be done with Bone if the exchanges decide to purchase up Bone. So at press time, Bone's trading at 75 cents and was down 1% in the 24-hour day trade. Nonetheless, Bone is down 95.1% from its all-time high of $15.50, which it reached last year. So imagine Bone being at $15.50 right now. You can get it for less than $1. Connect the dots, people. Let's take a look real quick. Let me refresh Bone's price. Up 5% on the day, sitting at 86 cents. Y'all let me know. Did you take advantage of Bone's price when it was under 40 cents or around that range when I told y'all to check it out? Let me know what you did. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. We are out.